Alcohol has been around since 7000 to 6600 BC. The earliest evidence is that humans were brewing alcohol when it comes to residues found in pottery jars in northern China. Archaeologists and cultural anthropologists have increasingly stressed that alcohol is most widely used as a psychoactive agent. It has played a big role in the social, economic, spiritual, and political areas of ancient culture. China assumes one of the earliest places in the archaeological records for the use of alcohol. Multiple types of alcoholic beverages also appeared in the earliest writings of the Shang dynasty 3,200 years ago. Alcohol has a great importance in society, but some problems arise with it. It is a very controversial topic within the complexities of power, gender, class, ethnicity, and others. Changes in political and economical and cultural landscapes in Europe that date back to AD 1000 shifts the social position of alcohol and drinking culture. In the early modern period from the 1500 to the 18th century saw alcohol firmly entrenched in the daily diets of European populations. The use of alcohol in the early Indian culture is explained. It is mentioned that alcohol for India was a homegrown essential. India was among the first civilizations to discover the science of distillation, then goes on to explain and mention that alcohol appears with the Vedas when the Rig Veda, which was in 1700 BC, talks about intoxicants like soma and prahamana. There was a Chinese royal dynasty founded by Tang of Shang. He ruled in the Yellow River Valley in the 2nd millennium BC. They made many contributions to Chinese civilization, like the invention of writing, the development of stratified government, the advancement of bronze technology, and the use of chariot and bronze weapons in warfare. 4 fermented beverages are mentioned for the period of Shang by these texts. The Li Shi, which is the Book of Rites, says that Li and Lo are very ancient alcoholic beverages. The beverage is beer, known as Li, which was poorly fermented and most likely based on malt. The drink Lo may be pressed and fermented beverage like a type of wine. The article goes on to explain many more beverages found in ancient scripts that were discovered. An analysis of the ancient scripts by Vedas in India claims that Vedas talked about alcoholism by the use of a narcotic by some narcotic called soma. The meaning of soma, which is something that produces happiness, peace, relaxation, and enthusiasm. Therefore, in later it's used as a synonym of alcohol or an intoxicant that got very popular. It goes on to cite specific texts in ancient Vedas to explain appearances of alcohol. What needs to be understood here is that the intoxication of soma is no ordinary intoxication. It is the intoxication which inspires noble souls to relentlessly pursue the vision of a universal well-being, and even face the harshest of miseries with a peaceful smile. The rite here is a perfect example of alcoholism arising in an ancient society, deep down being miserable and performing tasks with a false peaceful smile. This is one of the problems that comes along with an addictive substance that is inevitable. The first ancient artifact archaeologists found in southern China was discovered to be residue of beer drunk over 9,000 years ago. These are vessels containing the alcohol that were located near human skeletons. It suggests that the mourners may have consumed alcohol to honor the dead. These vessels are from 9,000 years ago, and they were found in southeastern China, specifically Yiwu City. The second ancient artifact is for ancient India. It is an ancient distillation equipment. It was used for fermentation and distillation of beverages using sweet and starchy items. These beverages were brewed in Sindh, Punjab over 4,000 years ago. These artifacts were found in the Indus Valley, and it was most likely used by the people living in that region that is modern India and Pakistan. used these artifacts. The third ancient artifact is an ancient wine container. It was used to store wine to keep it for drinking conditions, also to be able to transport wine to different locations. These alcoholic storages date back to sometime around 100 BC. They were all found around modern-day Europe. In Greece, they found ancient clay pots to store wine, barrels when the Romans reached Gaul that stored fermented beverages. Any segment of the population could have used these storage devices to maintain their fermented beverages preserved. In ancient Greece, they used large wine clay vessels to transport wine all over the Greek Empire, so male wine transporters were most likely the users.